back to my channel. Did you like the walkthrough of my Notre Vie mini album? Then stay tuned because I'm going to show you what's in the kit. Okay guys, so if you want to make exactly the same mini album as I did with all the things that I used, then of course I made a kit for you guys. So what's in it? Of course the chipboard pieces is in it. I added 3 of these clear sheets that we can make the protection pages with. I added 1 full sheet of the croc. You only need half, so you can make another album. There is a welcome note inside with some measurements, but if you don't have a kit, then you still can make the album, of course. There is a A4 pack from the Ciao Notre Vie. There is a 8x8 paper pack, not 1 but 2, and there is a 6x6 paper pack, not 1 but also 2. Oh yeah, we do need it. And of course there is a ribbon set, yeah, just a little business card, and there is a little bag with all the embellishments, all the flowers, all the metal embellishments, everything is inside. Okay, so yeah guys, if you have this set, then you can make this exactly the same mini album as I did. There was just only one thing that is not included. That is the plain cardstock that I used for making the pages and everything. I used Clairefontaine 160 gram, but you also can use any other cardstock that you prefer using, maybe with some texture, maybe another color. Just use your cardstock, what you normally like to use for making pages. You don't have to use exactly the same as I did. I used black this time, but choose any color that you prefer using. So that is not included in this kit, but for the rest, everything is inside. All the embellishments, everything is inside. Brads, eyelets, you name it. It's in here. Alright guys, have fun watching. Join the tutorials. The tutorials are free to watch on my YouTube channel. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I upload a new video. Yeah, it's just before my holiday, so after doing my holiday I will not upload, but this is my last project before I go on holiday. So happy holiday. Bye bye. Till next time. If you like to order, I totally forgot, just send me an email. Just send me an email. It can't be that easy. I don't have any website. I do have a website to just watch, but you can't order through there. Just check below every video. There is my email to be seen. There is also the link to the website that you can watch everything that I have. Paper packs, digitals, kits, albums to be that I sell. So everything is to be watched on that website, but just please send me an email if you like to order something. Okay, it can't be that easier. Bye bye.